If you're trying to get into photography or filmmaking in 2026, the hardest part isn't just about learning how to shoot. It's also actually picking your first camera if you don't already have one. Because there are so many options, Sony, Canon, Nikon, or even smartphones now, that it gets overwhelming fast. So in this video, I'm breaking down the best beginner cameras in 2026 depending on your budget and what you actually want to shoot. No confusion, no overpriced gear, just the real pics. Before we talk cameras, here's what actually matters. You do not need 8K video, $3,000 lenses, pro cinema cameras, and stuff that would be really good to have. Good autofocus, flip screen, clean 4K video, easy color or auto modes, and some stuff that you'll actually end up using. Because the best camera for beginners is the one that you don't quit on. If I had to pick one camera for beginners, I would pick the Canon R50. Why? It's super easy color straight out of the camera, best in-class autofocus for beginners, lightweight and travel friendly, great for YouTube and TikTok photos, and you basically turn it on and already get good looking footage. This is for the people who don't want to think too hard and just want to get straight into it type of camera. If your goal is YouTube, vlogs, or cinematic content, I recommend the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. And the reason why creators love it: insane autofocus tracking, tons of lens options, very clean 4K image, great slow motion options, and the only downside, colors straight out of the camera aren't as pretty as Canon, so you might want to learn a bit of color grading. But for pure video performance, it's hard to beat. Honestly, in 2026, this is important. Your smartphones might already be enough, especially if you have the Pro version that already shoots in log. If you have an iPhone Pro series or a Samsung Ultra series, you already have 4K video, great dynamic range, slow motion, social media ready output, and what actually matters on a camera is lighting, composition, and editing. A 1000 camera in bad lighting will look worse than an iPhone in good lighting. If you're starting out, if you want easiest overall, I would pick the Canon beginner cameras like the Mirrorless series R50 or R50V, depending if you want photo or video. If you want easy YouTube vlogging, then I would choose the ZV line from Sony because it is built towards vloggers and cinematic content. And if you're unsure, I would say to start with your iPhone first, because it's something that most people have just lying around not knowing what it's capable of doing. Your first camera doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to get you started. So if you enjoyed this video, comment below whether you have any video ideas or if you think Canon or Sony is better, and make sure you subscribe.